ladies, how are you doing today?
Hi Jay, how are you?
I'm doing great, great. You guys are looking well, looking well.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
I'm doing well. How are you doing? Excuse me. Thank you, thank you. Come on, excuse me. It's okay, folks. I work here once a month. Yes. Oh, please. Come please. My pleasure. Come on through. Come on in here. How are you doing? Didn't see you there. Come on up here. Come on up. Help yourself. How are you doing? Give it a door. Here you go. Ladies, good to see you. Good to see you. Please, be my guest. My pleasure. Hi, folks. My name is Jay Foreman, coming to you from Lord Fairfax Community College's campus. I am so excited to be teaching a brand new series starting next month and running through the fall called Leadership Excellence. We're going to explore a lot of different notables in the leadership industry, such as John Maxwell, Craig Rochelle, and one of my favorites, Simon Sinek, and his class, Leaders Eat Last. We hope to see you here.